So, hello, how you going? I haven't seen you in a long time. I just come around to visit you just because, I just need to borrow some money. Yeah, some family members are sick and I just need it for the hospital, so can you lend me some money at all, please? No, I'm sorry, I cannot lend you any money. I have not got any money. Nah, sorry mate, I don't have any money. Yeah, this is a bad time you come around. Maybe you can ask one of your other friends to actually ask you for money. Get fucked, cunt. I don't have any money. God, man, what do you think I am? A bloody money tree or something? Well, I'm not a banker. How do you say no to someone in a way that they understand? Well, there is the polite way. You could say, no, I cannot help you. And that is the polite way. You can also just say no. You don't need to give a reason. But if you need to give a reason, you can say, oh, I can't help you because if it's for money, I don't have any money. Or if someone asks me for money or for a favour and I say no, if it's for money, I just say, no, I'm not going to lend you money because I don't lend people money, which is true. Or, if it's a favour, no, I cannot help you with that favour. Your favour is too much. If you would like to say it in a way that makes sure that they understand, you can say, no way, get fucked, cunt, I'm not giving you any money. What do you think I am, bloody money tree? So if you say it in that expression, well, that means you, well, it's forceful. You say it in a way so they know and they will never ask you again. Because the polite way, they might come and ask you again. And you don't want that because it's just annoying. When someone comes and asks you for things, it's really annoying. So, you just tell them politely and forcefully if you want to no. Or, if you want to be rude, just say, no, get stuffed. I'm not lending you anything. Why would I trust you? And that is how you tell someone no if they ask for something. I hope this helps you with your English, and if not, then learn some more, please. Have an awesome time, and I hope you enjoy English, because English is a great language, just like every other language out there. So, thank you very much for watching, people. Have an awesome time.